The crypto world is booming with new projects launching every day, but not all of them are worth your time or your money. Some are game changers, while others are just hype-driven scams. So how do you separate the good from the bad? How do you research and evaluate new crypto projects before investing? In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the project's purpose and vision. The first step is to understand what the project aims to achieve. A legitimate project should have a clear mission, solving a real-world problem or improving an existing blockchain solution. Research the white paper and official documentation to determine whether the project has a unique and viable use case. A strong vision with long-term goals often indicates a well-thought-out initiative rather than a short-lived hype-driven token. 2. Examining the white paper. The white paper is the backbone of any crypto project, providing detailed insights into its technology, goals, tokenomics, and roadmap. A high-quality white paper should be well-written, informative, and transparent about how the project works. Look for key details such as the problem the project is solving, how it plans to execute its vision, and what makes it different from competitors. Beware of vague, overly technical, or generic white papers that fail to provide meaningful explanations. 3. Evaluating the team and developers. A project's success heavily depends on the expertise and credibility of its team. Check the backgrounds of the founders, developers, and advisors. Experienced professionals with a track record in blockchain, finance, or technology add credibility. Transparency is crucial. Teams that provide full names, LinkedIn profiles, and past achievements are more trustworthy than anonymous or pseudonymous groups. Additionally, community engagement by the team, such as regular updates and AMA sessions, reflects their commitment to the project. 4. Assessing the technology and infrastructure. Understanding the technical foundation of a project is vital. This includes evaluating whether the project has its own blockchain or operates on an existing network, the scalability of its technology, and the security measures in place. A well-documented GitHub repository with regular development activity indicates an active and serious project. If the code is open source, developers and the community can audit it for security risks, ensuring greater transparency and trust. 5. Analyzing the tokenomics and supply model. Tokenomics refers to the economic model of the project's cryptocurrency. It includes aspects such as the total supply, distribution mechanisms, and how tokens are allocated to different stakeholders. A sustainable tokenomics model ensures a fair distribution of tokens while preventing extreme inflation or market manipulation. Research the vesting schedules for early investors and team members to determine if the project is designed for long-term stability or a quick pump-and-dump scheme. 6. Checking the roadmap and development progress. A solid roadmap outlines the key milestones and development goals for the project. It should provide clear timelines for major releases, partnerships, and improvements. However, a roadmap is only useful if the team follows through with their promises. Check past progress by reviewing announcements, developer updates, and community discussions. Delays or a lack of development activity could be red flags, indicating poor execution or mismanagement. 7. Investigating the community and social presence. A strong and active community is a positive sign of a project's potential. Engaged users often contribute to the success of a project by providing feedback, promoting adoption, and spreading awareness. Research the project's presence on platforms like Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. However, be cautious of artificial hype. Some projects use bots and paid promotions to create the illusion of popularity. The genuine community fosters meaningful discussions and growth. 8. Analyzing market performance and liquidity. Market performance provides insights into investor confidence and overall project health. Examine the project's price history, trading volume, and liquidity. Low liquidity or sudden price spikes may indicate market manipulation. Additionally, check if the token is listed on reputable exchanges, as this adds credibility and increases accessibility for investors. Established exchanges conduct due diligence before listing tokens, reducing the risk of scams. 9. Reviewing security measures and audits. Security is one of the most critical aspects of any crypto project. Look for third-party security audits from reputable firms, as they verify the integrity of the project's smart contracts and code. Without proper audits, vulnerabilities could lead to hacks, exploits, or loss of funds. Also, consider the project's approach to security incidents, how they handle past breaches and what measures they have in place to protect users' assets. 10. Evaluating partnerships and collaborations. Legitimate projects often have strong partnerships with established companies, blockchain networks, or venture capital firms. These partnerships provide additional credibility and indicate that professionals in the industry see value in the project. Check the project's official announcements and cross-verify whether the claimed partnerships are real. Fake partnerships or exaggerated claims are common red flags. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.